Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where you can withdraw money from your Chime card for free. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'll quickly recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. So guys, as we all know, Chime is a popular online only bank that focuses on offering financial services to customers through an online platform and through a mobile app that's available for mobile users. So by so doing, Chime lets customers actually to withdraw funds from their Chime card or from their Chime checking account for free at participating ATMs. So how do you find participating ATMs? It is very easy. The first thing you want to do is to access your Chime, to access the Chime website or the Chime mobile app. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be doing so through the Chime website. So first things first, you open the Chime website, and from here you go to the online banking tab and scroll right onto the ATM section. Just click on that. And from here you can see that Chime lets you withdraw funds from over 50,000 ATMs, and the best is it is actually free, so you don't have to pay anything while withdrawing funds from your Chime card. So you can find any convenient ATM near you equally using the Chime app as said earlier and get an overdraft of up to $200 on cash withdrawals with the SpotMe feature. So if you don't know anything about the SpotMe feature, or if you are new to this feature, this SpotMe feature is actually an overdraft feature. As it is being said, it is an overdraft feature that lets you actually get a loan or a cash advance from Chime. So if you are looking to get a cash advance, then this SpotMe feature is actually for you. And to learn more of this, I'm going to drop a link to the SpotMe feature, to a guide explaining what the SpotMe feature is and how you can actually use it to get a cash advance from Chime. So back to our tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to grant Chime the permission to your location. So Chime is actually going to use this to display the relevant results based on your location. So you just want to grant this permission real quick and click on allow. You scroll down, you can see you can withdraw funds from Walgreens, 7-Eleven, CVS Pharmacy, CKK, and even more retailers. So you just click on this find an ATM, and you can see some ATMs have already been listed based on my location as granted earlier. You can see CVS 51 N Broadway and Walgreens 162 Whitney, and so on. You can scroll this list and find relevant ATMs based on your location. Also, you can search for your address right here. You can enter even your zip code or be your address, or you can also use the map alternatively, the Google map alternatively. And once you found an address, or once you found a location, a relevant location for you, you just click on it to get directions, and here you click on get directions. It's going to open Google Maps real quick, and you should be able to access it through the directions here. So tap on the directions and you enter your starting point, and that's how you're going to get to this location. So guys, finding an in-network Chime ATM is actually easy, and you don't need much. All you need to do is to access the Chime app, and I'm going to recommend you access this app or this website through your mobile app. So you're going to easily move the mobile app to locate the nearby Chime ATM, because of course if you do this through a computer, you'll not be able to move along with it. And the best way to locate this is through a mobile device, as I said earlier. So guys, this is how you locate an in-network Chime ATM. Remember, you'll be able to withdraw funds from over 50,000 ATMs nationwide, and for absolutely no cost. So this is how you find in-network ATMs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tap the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. So guys, we'll catch you on the next one.